All right. Well, now we're going to use the information that we found of known substances and known densities, and we're going to use that information and density to try to identify unknown materials. We're going to start with the unknown liquid first. In order to find the density of a liquid, of course, we need our container, so we're going to zero our scale, and we are going to take our little graduated cylinder, our 10 milliliter graduated cylinder, and find the mass of that. And again, it is a mass of 27.6 grams. We're going to take our unknown liquid, which is in this bottle. We're going to add it to the cylinder, and again, we have to do a known volume, and again, I'm going to shoot for 10. I could do 5 milliliters, I could do 3 milliliters, I could do 7.8 milliliters. It doesn't matter, because if you do that particular volume and that particular mass, the ratio of mass to volume should remain the same for any material, or for the same material, I'm sorry. And again, it looks like I'm over 10 a little bit, so let me get rid of just a little bit. And of course I went under, so hold on. Sometimes it gets a little tricky. Get these volumes right if you want to be on target. Let's see here. That's it right there, look at that. 10 milliliters. So I have 10 milliliters of my liquid. And of course, now I'm going to remass the situation, the system. And the mass jumps up to 37.6. So I'm going to put all this information in the data table, find the density, and then try to identify another material that has the same identical density. So we'll put this off to the side. We have two other solids to do. We have unknown A and unknown B. Unknown A is in this container. And unknown A is a bunch of these little metal pellets. And what I need to do is find the mass of these unknown pellets. And if I put them all on the scale, let me actually get these off for a second, hold on. Okay, re-zero the scale. We're going to put these pellets on the scale. Got a bunch of them. And that mass is 58.9. Okay. I'm also going to notice that my volume of my water in the graduated cylinder is just about 50. Actually, it looks a little low, so I'm just going to top it up a little bit. And we get it to 50. And let's get all this metal off. Breaking the scale. It's okay. We probably should have put it in another container. We're going to gently put these pellets into the cylinder. I don't want to splash any water. If I splash any water, I will have broken my instrument. My instrument won't work anymore because my volume levels that I started with will not be present anymore. So we're going to take all these pellets, put them in, make sure I got them all. Oh, one escaped. Good. All right. We're going to look for what the water level rose to. And it's looking like it's above or close to 73. Let's get a little bit of a better look at that. So again, are we at, hold on one second, let me move this a little bit. $73. Are we a little lower than that? Are we at 72? So that's a tough call. Are you 72 and a little bit, 73? So I think you're between 72 and 73, gonna have to make that call. What do you think? 72 point something? Okay. Now, what I need to do is do our last sample. I have to pour all this water out. I might have to refill the water because it's between all the pellets. And that's okay, we can do this. So off the side here, I'm going to get rid of the water, free up our pellets, get them out of the cylinder. Okay, we're gonna re-up our cylinder. Get it very close to 50, almost there. There we are. Now, one more metal to go. This unknown, Re0. Unknown B has a mass of 70.5. Our graduated cylinder is at 50. Put this in. Now our graduated cylinder is a couple ticks below 60. $57, $58, somewhere in there. But maybe in between, do I call it a decimal? You'll have to decide. Okay. And that's it. From these readings, you should be able to try to identify these unknown substances by the densities you either know or have found previously. Good luck.